am I gonna say, bro? I don't know. First real mukbang. My first one. Watch this. I'm using a mirror for this, so. Y'all see this? Y'all see this? I'm not gonna lie, I'm watching Bobby Lee right now. I apologize. I don't wanna double the brain rot. Let me begin this mukbang by saying, shout out to small YouTubers. Small YouTubers are so much better than the psychopaths. Like, what is that guy's name that has a chocolate bar? And you know what? I'm not even gonna mention his name. I don't want my house to fall on top of me. But you know, the chocolate guy that makes everything about his business. Yeah. I feel like those people aren't even real anymore. Let us begin. Although, am I recording? Yeah. Alright, let's go. As you can see, this is severely overcooked. But that's okay, because I want something. Sometimes you drink so much coffee that you want something to chew on. Almost like a jaw workout. That is exactly what I wanted. I wanted a jaw workout. As a matter of fact, I'm not even gonna add this Tabasco. I really just want a jaw workout, and to film, I just want to upload one video, just raw, no edits. Why? I don't know, but as you may be able to tell by my previous shorts or my other social media, I do enjoy uploading stuff. So I feel that if I upload this, it's going to encourage me to upload more. So yeah, let's go. Also, the more I do this, the more comfortable I'm gonna be in camera, which is, that's with everything. The more you do it, the more practice you get, the more proficient. So yeah, this is, I don't know what type of cut of steak this is, but yeah, I did a lot of cardio yesterday, and for some reason I woke up hungry, which is something new. I usually don't feel hunger at all. Also, um, I don't usually eat with my hands, but yeah, I really want to upload this. I'm gonna eat it, and then I'm gonna upload it. See what happens, you know? Maybe the algorithm blesses me. Maybe it doesn't. I don't care. I did work out today, but I only did around 5 sets of pull-ups because my back hurt. Now it doesn't hurt. This is surprisingly tender. I know it might look dark, but there's no light here. Well, there is, I just don't want to turn it on. It was in the air fryer for around 30 minutes actually. Now, it might be the excessive coffee consumption or the fact that the seasoning that I use is actually very good. But this is hitting. I've been putting this off for so long, mainly because when there's family around, it's very noisy. And right now, there's no one around, so I want to take advantage of that. But look, you can see it's quite tender. I don't want to use the Tabasco. I like the taste of salt. Nothing beats a home cooked meal, bro. No restaurant, no chef. hopefully I don't edit this video. And hopefully this video encourages more videos. If you leave a comment, I will love you forever. Like, dislike, I don't care. Yeah. I just saw the previous video and realized that my face didn't come out, so I grabbed another piece, I'm not gonna lie. I grabbed another piece. I haven't eaten anything, so. But yeah, man, small YouTubers, they're so funny to watch because they're so unique. It seems as if the smaller the YouTuber, the more original they are. The less bought out they are. You see me? Ooh. But as you can see, I mean, it definitely satisfies my craving. Like I said, I usually don't get hungry unless I exercise a lot. But today was a YouTube day. Regarding the podcast, I haven't even paid attention 1 second to it. Bro, buying an air fryer has to be the best investment you can make. You just put in the meat. It's not medium rare, I'm sorry. But if you're hungry, you'll eat broccoli raw, bruh. Put in the comments below what you watch while you're eating. I usually do watch some Peaks or Royce Miller or this other guy that's kind of an uncle and drinks on every meal. He drinks Everclear with Church's chicken. Like, what? I might even do a no talking one since I find those interesting. Look, it's not medium rare. But the seasoning is so good that it's not even needed. It has so many spices and has tomato and enough sodium, which to me is necessary since, as you can see, I added nothing, not even this. And I never had barbecue. That is a disgrace, disrespect to the cow that died for your gluttony. Never add barbecue to your meat. Learn how to cook. Learn how to season your food. I know A1 sauce in this, bro. I'm done. I need to wash my hands. Peace.